Are you answering the questions your customers are really asking? Then using that on your website, in your Google business profile, and on your socials? Hi, I'm Max from Max Out Creative. Whether you're working with a modest budget or investing heavily, we find smart, creative ways to max out every marketing dollar. That's what we're all about. This video series isn't for marketing pros by any stretch. It's for independent insurance agents, small medical clinics, and service-based businesses who want to understand the basics, hire the right partners, and start seeing results. I make these little videos. They're very short. You can bounce around and see topics that might apply to you and get back to your day after 2-3 minutes. So if you get anything out of this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. That helps a lot. Thank you very much in advance. So again, are you answering the questions your customers are actually asking online? Because most small businesses are not. They've got a website, a Google business profile, maybe a few social posts, but they're missing the real questions that would attract their next customer. Let's change that. The power of people also ask. Okay? There's a Google feature you need to know about. It's called People Also Ask. You've probably seen it, or PAA for short. When someone types a question into Google, they often see a box labeled People Also Ask, PAA. This section displays related questions to the user's original search, and clicking one reveals a brief answer and a link to a site with more information. Here's the cool part. It's dynamic. The questions in the box update based on what the people are actively searching. How cool is that? It's insightful. These aren't guesses. These are real search patterns Google is seeing. It's an SEO opportunity. According to Backlinko, getting featured in a PAA box increases your visibility and drives qualified traffic to your site. Voila! That's what we're looking for, right? And if you're creating content, blog posts, FAQs, Google Q&As, social media, this is gold. It's gold. And if you're not going to do it yourself, have somebody on your team do it, or better yet, hire someone to help you out. Make it part of their deliverable every month. Try it yourself. Let me walk you through this. Open up Google, type something your customer might search. Best Medicare plan for seniors, or how does a walk-in clinic work? Okay, I'll do the second one. Scroll until you see People Also Ask. Click a question, then another. More questions will appear. This is a living stream of real-time market research. And most business owners don't even know it exists because they're watching clickbait online and trying to hire somebody who promises them the world for a small monthly fee, okay? These are things you can do yourself, especially if you don't have a marketing budget. You can do these things yourself. We need to do it too. Most of our business is referral-based, but we need to do it ourselves at this agency. So here's what to do with it, okay? Start by choosing 5 real questions you find in the PAA box. Then post those questions and answers on your Google business profile using the Q&A feature. Add them to your website's FAQ or blog section. Record short social videos or reels answering them. I mean, that's real gold. If you can look into your phone, make a reel, make a short video, and add that, I mean, come on, man. That's hard to beat. You know, the person working, actually doing something, they're hard to beat. They don't even have to be that smart. Just work and be consistent. But include 1 or 2 in your weekly email newsletter if you have one. You know, 1 or 2 of those questions. But every time you answer a real question publicly, you build credibility, you increase trust, and you boost your SEO. SEO's not dead. It's not dead. It's the foundation for AEO right now in June of 2025. And how about a real life example? Let's say you're an insurance agent and people are searching, what happens if I miss the Medicare enrollment deadline? If you answer that question clearly and publicly and a competitor doesn't, guess who's getting the lead next time? Okay? Same goes for a small medical clinic. If people search, do I need an appointment for urgent care? And you have a helpful answer on your Google business profile or your site or a quick video, that's a win. That's a win. Google is the front door to your business, answering FPAA questions does three important things. It improves your local SEO. You're giving Google what it wants, man. It builds authority and trust. You're being helpful before they ever call. It increases conversions. You're removing doubt and friction. One final thought. If you're not answering real questions, someone else might start, probably one of your competitors. Use Google's own tools. Listen to your customers and give them helpful, trustworthy answers in the places they're already looking. Ask the front office, or if you have somebody answering your phones for you, tell them to jot down a few of the questions. That's a great source. It's real, right? So why not use that information? If you got anything out of this, would you please give me a like? Share it with somebody who might need the same information. And visit maxoutcreative.com for a free evaluation of your website if you're interested. If not, cool, no worries. Come back and watch another video. We'll be here. Thanks.